Dude, you look weird.
You know what does look weird?
What?
A monkey with a long tongue.
A green tongue.
It's radioactive.
That's dope.
It is. Let's see if the drink is dope, though.
Okay, let's go.
What up, guys? We're back with another Carbo drinking video. But today, we thought we'd try our gas monkey. Now, we found this in 7-Eleven. I'm not sure if it's other stores. But we thought we'd try it out. We only did one this time because we're not sure of our tolerance. We did that with the last video, too. But
that was delicious.
That was delicious. But, you know, once we get a tolerance to these drinks, we can start mixing them together and stuff. So, let's get to it.
Alright, let's go. Since you always give me the honors of picking the first Jolly Rancher, today, it's the opposite. I'm going to give you the honors. So, what do you want to choose? I already knew it. Blue raspberry it is. Didn't get it.
We didn't even pour. Loud noises like usual. I'm gonna give a little whiff. It smells like NyQuil. Smells like NyQuil.
It does.
Well, maybe it's a good tasting NyQuil.
Okay, you can do the honors first too. I was not expecting that color at all.
Alright, so it's kind of a yellow color. It's not as orangey as Red Bull, but it's got its charms.
Okay.
Smells like NyQuil though, but you know. Let's give it a try.
Medicine. All right, let's go.
Oh, hold on.
That's disgusting.
That is nasty. Oh, it's gonna be a long day.
I can taste the honey, and it's not.
I'm not even gonna bother. I'm drinking the rest. I'm just putting the candy in.
Oh no! Oh no!
How did you get such a good drink last time, and then?
No wonder it looks like Red Bull. Obviously, it's gonna be bad.
This could be good with candy. That's what we're here to figure out.
Yeah, it has to be good to be good with candy.
Alright, now let me see yours to compare.
I just dropped mine in, so it's like none different.
I know, but I mix mine in. It gets darker with the blue raspberry. That's what it looks like. It's kind of green now instead of yellow.
I'm not excited for this at all. You forgot to give it a smell. It smells actually like blue raspberry.
It's good. It's not like... It's not... It took the hinge off of the badness.
It tastes like mint leaves. You ever had that drink before? Like Indian home remedies to like fix a cough or something.
No, I usually drink NyQuil.
Oh. Your parents never made that for you?
Never.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
No.
You know...
This is okay.
You know the plant we have outside my window?
I know what a mint leaf is, but...
Yeah.
Never had the drink.
It tastes like that, and I don't like that.
It's okay. I mean, it's not...
It's not
as bad. It's not as bad as, like, just this alone. No offense to whoever made that, but, you know, it's okay. On to the next one.
So, when we went to go get this, I thought it was going to be good. Like, tasting like Monster.
See, we were going to mix this with the Spike. But then we decided not to just because we don't know how this is going to go. We're never buying this ever again.
If you guys want us to mix Spike and Monster,
please tell us to do that. I want whoever's the first person watching this, the second person, and so on to the first 100 people that watch this. Please just comment down below to do that, because, we want to do that. Or we could just do it,
Blend in this with well. Or blend in. Mine was already peeled.
It's okay.
Can you do it?
That's very cooperative. There you go.
Yeah, very cooperative.
Mine went right in. This is nasty.
You're about to spill it.
I'm not.
I'm gonna just let it sit like this.
Well, you ready to drink?
I'm gonna let it sit. Alright, now, yes, just let's drink it. I actually like it.
This is nasty.
I like it because the green apple overtakes the whole gas monkey taste.
Tip, don't make any energy drinks with my honey. It doesn't go. It's not good. This is nasty.
That wasn't bad. And I don't like green apple.
Well, it's your opinion.
Served chilled.
Yeah, it's chilled. It's just
Very
it's not
chilled.
good. Alright, well.
Let's move on.
Jolly Rancher 3.
I'll skip one. I'd rather have this over Red Bull. Big time. What about you?
Bro, Red Bull all the way over this thing. This thing is nasty.
His opinion. Alright, which one you want to do? It's your turn now, pick.
Well, cherry usually gives a fruity taste, so...
Tropical taste.
See if that works for this one. I'm like depending on these Jolly Ranchers to give good taste.
Oh, that was
See,
cooperative.
at this point now, I'm glad we didn't mix it with the spike.
Yeah. It's very bubbly. You see mine?
Yeah.
Just giving out bubbles.
That's a Jolly Rancher. Mine got very fizzy.
Yo, smell it. That. Tell me that does not smell like cherry medicine.
I don't smell anything, bro.
Smells like,
I just smell the
you
gas
know, the
monkey.
Tylenol?
Oh, yeah.
Smells like that.
Oh, yeah.
The cherries flavor?
I got it. I had to mix mine a bit.
Tylenol. Oh, that's disgusting. Alright, let's go. It got darker, too.
Yeah, it changed color. It's not as bad. This is probably a better one. It's okay.
I don't know what's... I taste something minty. I don't know what it is.
I just taste the honey.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. I don't know, it tastes minty. I'm not enjoying this at all.
This is nasty. So I'm trying to find a place where it says, I'm going to give only to monkeys. But he doesn't say it.
Gas monkey.
Well, it's got honey, it's gluten-free, no aspartame.
No, it's not even worth reading the ingredients.
Aspartame. No artificial flavors. You know, maybe you should add some to make it taste good. No high fructose corn syrup. Maybe you should add that too. This is nasty, bro.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm having a massive headache after this. I'm gonna have to go brush my teeth after this.
Bro, I need to like get a new tongue after this. I don't even want to say next Jolly Rancher. That's how bad this thing is.
Somebody help us. Alright, let's move on. Let's go.
Like, I'd rather drink 5 tons of Red Bull than drink one of this.
Drink one of this.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Save best for last.
If you guys watch GMM, you probably know that they tend to eat a lot of testicles. As in their will of things, there are usually like testicles in there. So, honestly, I'd kind of rather eat a testicle than this. Not a human testicle. Maybe a monkey testicle. Nah, not after this. Probably monkey, like, gas. That's probably why they call it gas monkey.
Okay, you heard him.
No, my brain's not working anymore after this. This is nasty.
Just give it a shot. Every single Jolly Rancher tastes like or smells like medicine. Does it not? I'm not excited for this whatsoever.
That's nasty. That's disgusting.
It's not worse. It's not worse than this alone. I'm just say that.
So, which one was your favorite?
I don't know. Probably blueberry or cherry. Definitely not these two.
Alright, well, one of us is gonna have to finish that. We're just going down the drain.
It's going down.
Going down the drain. Oh,
You're
I'm gonna have to mix it all together. How about this time you do it? Cause you know.
Excuse me?
I do it every time.
Actually, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, we're pouring our drinks.
Alright.
Okay, we already poured our drinks. Just watermelon. As you could tell, Deep's hating this.
If you made this, you're probably not watching this. But if you are watching this, please come out with a better flavor, bro. Or come out with a flavor.
Please don't sue us.
Sue us for what?
I don't know. Please don't sue us.
Now, since this is the last one, and watermelon is kind of good, please let this taste good. The watermelon after they smell.
Actually, it smells pretty good. I'm going in.
Yeah, that's actually.
I had shivers or chills.
Not bad at all. This is. I don't know if I just changed all my taste buds or something, but like, that's not bad. Here's a lesson. Always carry around watermelon and Jolly Ranchers with you.
Okay. Here you go. Guess you gotta get all of it.
No. We're not doing this.
At least, so, like, you don't have to drink all of it, just... Chug. Everybody, like this
I'm
video.
gonna chug you out my window.
He's gonna chug it. Like this video.
I'm not chugging this.
He's going to chug it. Like this video.
It looks like beer.
How do you know what beer tastes like? Or looks like?
What does that have to do with tasting beer? I said it looks like beer.
I said taste like. I meant look like.
Because I've seen beer.
Who hasn't? Alright, just move on.
Alright, so now that we have all the Jolly Ranchers in there,
Let it
and about like
sit
5
there.
liters of just gas monkey. What if this is monkey piss?
Yo.
Sure tastes like it.
What is?
It's monkey piss that's been cleaned, and then, you know,
Just give this a try.
carbonated,
Just
and then
get it over with. You hear me?
throw honey with it. Threw honey in there.
Dude, mix it and get it over with.
I'm letting it sit a bit. It's just satisfying to watch these bubbles just go up. I'm gonna give you guys
We gotta move this down. There you go.
yeah, and then give them like a back, just so you can just see the bubbles. I think we've created a lava lamp with bubbles.
I think it happens to everything, deep.
It's just so satisfying to watch.
It just goes on. Keeps on going on.
I mean, I guess it just goes on until the Jolly Rancher runs out. That's gonna be a while, so. That's one thing that's good out of Gas Monkey.
Alright, just taste it, I
Place
guess.
the camera back.
Taste
There we
it
go.
and get it over with.
I made that too high.
There we go. There we go.
Alright. I don't want to say it's bad, okay? Because I feel like, you know, I don't want to hurt someone's feeling. I've made this and, you know, pour the... Oh, God. That changed drastically colors.
Really?
Yeah.
See?
Well,
Yeah.
I don't want to say that it's, like, super duper bad. It's okay. But it's like the bad okay. I don't know if you can relate to. Do you know what I mean by that? Like a bad okay. Like it's, you don't like it. It's okay. Cause I mean, the aftertaste that stays in your mouth isn't bad.
True. Tastes
And
like...
maybe it gives you energy. I don't know. Probably gonna have me sitting on the toilet, but like. Well, let's go for it.
Don't chug the whole thing. Drink half of it. Alright, that's it, dude. That's it. That's a lot of energy.
Oh, I got so watery there.
What'd you taste?
I tasted grape.
Did you drink from the grape side?
I'm trying to get like the flavors back because I noticed when I was chugging the thing that near the end it was just like the flavors washing in. Like I saw the colors of like the flavor, each flavor like mix it and come in. I don't know how to explain it because like I just saw it and like it's just like, so it basically like dissolved, and then I saw like while I was chugging the thing that like each color,
Okay.
but I tasted the grape. That's all I tasted.
Okay.
I didn't taste the drink at all. I guess my body just physically just ignored it. It was like, let me bring it in the middle so you can see. I think my body just physically ignored it because, you know, it's nasty. No, it isn't. It's okay. But I wouldn't suggest this to anyone.
Unless you like honey. If you like honey, that's okay.
Or if you like monkey farts. Get it? Get it? You get it? Because it's a gas monkey. You get it? It's affecting my brain at this point.
Alright, see. I want to go drink some water, but there's only one water bottle. You about to go to the bathroom really quick? Yeah. I'll be back.
You can go to that.
Huh?
I'm not coming after you this time.
What?
I'm not coming after you this time.
Oh, finally. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our video. We hope you enjoyed. Leave a like so we can tell what kind of games and kinds of videos you guys like. Subscribe if you haven't already to keep up with our latest videos. And be sure to drop a comment on what games you want us to play next. Thanks for staying with us, and peace.